Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you how to change your picture on your Zoom profile. It's pretty easy. If you already know how to do it, you don't have to watch this video. I'm suggesting you do this just so if when we do meet in a room, you can at least know what each other looks like. I think it becomes more personal. If you're not comfortable of going live on your video, I think that would be helpful. At least have a picture of who you are, so we can be more personal and get more connected during this time of distance learning. So here's my desktop. I'm going to go to my Zoom. I've put my Zoom I've pinned it into my Windows. If you have Mac, you put it wherever you want. I'm going to open it up. And here you can see it joins meetings. Sometimes you can do that automatically when I give you a scheduled Zoom meeting. So here I'm just going to sign in. And I'm signing in with my Rutherford County email. You can do the same with your email. I'm pretty sure. It says hopefully. And I'm going to sign in. Incorrect password. All right. Schools.net. Let's try that again. All right. So now I'm in. This is in landscape mode, which is fine. You might have this. You have the time. And this is all my controls. Up here you can see I have, it shows me available. So I'm going to click on this. And then when I go to my profile, it's gonna send me to the Zoom website. Okay, and I've already saved my information here in Chrome. So so I'm gonna just sign in here, and it's gonna take me to my profile. It's working. It's working. It's working. There it is. All right. So all I have to do is change this picture. So to change it, I just go change. I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to change the picture. I'm going to go to my pictures. And I'm going to just choose my old high school photograph. I'm going to open this. Hopefully this will work. Loads my picture, and then I can put my picture in. So I'm not going to use that old picture. I'm just going to continue, and that's how I do it. And you save it, and boom, anytime you log in, you will have your picture instead of just your name hanging out there. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you on Zoom.